Hello everyone and welcome back to another Zano list video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Mastercard so you can spend your Zano gains in total privacy. And of course, as it's with Mastercard, you can pretty much spend it anywhere that Mastercard is accepted. And the best thing is all with total privacy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that today. So go on over to zbec.io, that's the website, to get the card. And it is recommended to use a USA VPN, so I do recommend using that to get the card. Then we're going to go ahead and scroll down here to the changing the way money moves section. And then we're going to go ahead and click ZBEC Silver and click Get Card. Then we're going to need to connect our Zano wallet. So if we scroll down and we're going to see Zano here from the menu, click that, then click Connect Wallet. You're also going to need Zano Companion. So this is the Zano extension that's just opened up here. I'm going to connect my wallet to ZBEC. And as you can see, I can select different card uses here. So the silver card is recommended. It's basically like a gift card. So if I'm going to spend it as a one-time use, or I'm going to give it to a friend or something like that. Carbon, it can be topped up again. So this is good if you have reoccurring subscriptions or something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and use silver for now. Select the currency as USD. I'm going to put 2 Zano on this card here. Wait for it to load. So this is going to give me $27. So I'm going to go ahead and click Buy Silver Card. I'm going to click Confirm. And that's it. Done. And I have received the card to my email address. So once you have got the email, you'll see that it will redirect you to this page here. So now you need to enter a USA address. Hence why you need to be connected to a USA VPN. Click Confirm. Scroll to the bottom and accept the agreement here. And as you can see, your card is now ready to use. And that is it. This is how simple it is that you can now use ZBEC and Mastercard to make private payments online and spend your gains in total privacy. This is a complete game changer. And if you guys want to try it out, please visit the link in the description of this video. Thank you guys and have a great day.